how to log in into University of Dubai account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, launch any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in University of Dubai login. Press enter on your keyboard. Now, you will be taken to this interface. From there, head over to the first link that says University of Dubai or portal. Click on that. Now, you will be directly taken to login page. Here, scroll down a bit and on your interface, you will get account login prompt. So first of all, enter your valid username or email address associated with your account. And under that, enter your correct password, or you can also log in with the Microsoft Azure account also. Now, once you're done typing in your username or email and password, click on this button that says log into your account. And after that, on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can log in into University of Dubai account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you in the next video.